Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable options using Robinhood application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Robinhood application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and sign in, of course, to create your account. And if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight into the video. So here, as you can see, I have your pin code to enter the Robinhood application. Of course, I said that, and the second they ask you actually to set that if you enter the application at the second time. So if you like now enter in Robinhood whenever you want, so you will actually need to type your pin code. So for me, it's just a 4 zeros. Let me just go and type that, and this will actually takes me into my account. So that's will be actually my home or main screen. And of course, before starting the tutorial, you would like to actually verify your account to start using the application, because this application don't give you any option if you are not verified, because as you can see here, I'm still not even verified. But of course, you can just go and verify your account by adding maybe a card, or as you can see, add funds to claim, add funds, because I don't want to add funds in this application. But if you want to start using it, just add funds to get verified and follow one of our videos to get verified in this channel, and you will be good to start going. So if you want actually to enable options, all you need to do, just click as account once you log in or sign in into the Robinhood application. Here is our account. Of course, you'll find an account link on the home screen. Of course, as you can see, for me, I don't have this because as I said, I'm not even verified. So all you need to do, just go here and click settings, and of course just go and click settings again. So here, if you actually verified, you will find the option, or you will find here options are available. Just all you need to do, just turn it enable and not disabled, and you will be actually good to go. So this will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.